Want to know what you can make with Dollar Tree shoelaces and puffy stickers? Why, you can make this, of course! Stick around to see exactly how I made it. We begin this project with Dollar Tree shoelaces and puffy stickers of your choice. I begin by cutting out the puffy stickers and then choosing the shoelace color that I wanted to coordinate with it. The next thing I did was wrap it around my neck to see how long I wanted the necklace to be. I pinched together where I wanted the necklace to sit. I then rotated the string around my neck in order to find the exact spot where I would make a bow and then where the pendant would hang. I took it off my neck, and where I have my fingers pinched is where the bow is going to go in the back. Next, I laid the shoelace out with the center where I wanted it to be for the pendant. I then used a little dab of hot glue to initially put the sticker onto the shoelace. I then added more hot glue to the back of the sticker just so that it would ensure a good hold. And I held it there for several seconds until the hot glue dried. And this is what it looked like. And then I turned it over and I made a simple square of the hot glue, and it looked like this. Essentially, that's the hot glue bail of this pendant. Here's another look at a different color and sticker that I used. When I was ready to wear it, I made a simple bow on my neck, and this is what it looked like when I was ready to wear it. I love how it turned out. That means I get to wear my unicorns every day if I want to. Here's another example of one that I did with a black shoelace and a different Dollar Tree sticker. It is really popular nowadays to wear the necklaces more in a lasso type, so there are different options that you can do instead of tying it in a bow tie.
Hi guys. So won't you join me on my journey? I'm out of my tree. You know that means crazy. And my love for Dollar Tree kind of also makes me crazy. Or at least it makes my husband crazy with all the money I spend at Dollar Tree during the month. Yeah, I think it's that second one. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, please go ahead and click the subscribe or the like button and click on the bell if you're on YouTube. That way YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video.